On June 13th, 2025, Israel launched a massive military operation targeting Iran's nuclear facilities. The world watched in shock as Iran responded with drones and strong words, calling it a declaration of war. But why is this happening now? What led to this sudden explosion of conflict between two longtime rivals? This video breaks down the real cause of the Israel-Iran war and what you need to know. The conflict between Israel and Iran isn't new. It's been simmering for decades. Israel sees Iran as an existential threat, mainly because of Iran's nuclear ambitions. Iran, in turn, calls for the destruction of the Israeli state and supports armed groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza, enemies of Israel. The two have fought in secret through cyber attacks, assassinations, and proxy wars in Syria and Iraq. In 2020, Iran's top nuclear scientist Mohsen Fakhrizadeh was assassinated, an attack Iran blamed on Israel. Fast forward to 2025. Western intelligence reported that Iran was enriching uranium at levels close to what's needed for a nuclear weapon, 90%. Israel warned the world, saying it could no longer wait. Then came the spark. Iran activated key nuclear sites at Natanz and Fordo, deep underground. On June 13th, Israel responded with over 100 precision airstrikes. Iran's top general was reportedly killed, and several nuclear facilities were damaged. Iran launched drones in retaliation, but Israel's Iron Dome intercepted all of them. Now the conflict is in open warfare. The world has reacted fast and with concern. The United States supported Israel but urged de-escalation. Russia and China condemned the strikes and called them a violation of international law. The United Nations Security Council held an emergency meeting. Meanwhile, oil prices surged overnight, and tensions spread to Lebanon and Syria. Some fear this could spiral into a wider Middle East war, or even draw in global powers.